let's go over the Milwaukee Packout modular storage system. The Milwaukee Packout system is a modular, portable storage system. It has a bunch of different modules that you can add to it and then wheel it around on the job site for easy access to wherever you have to go. It has 9-inch casters on it, which wheel easily over uneven terrain or even upstairs. And it has a heavy-duty handle that when you extend it, it acts like a 2-wheel handcart. The modules that this one has is the deep module, which is the base of the system, and then it has 2 additional toolboxes that stack on top. Each toolbox locks solidly into the box below it using a latching system that you release from the front. Every module also has a handle so that when you detach it, you can carry it around by itself so that if you need to downsize the system for a smaller job, you have everything ready to go. There's plenty of additional modules too, like chargers, radios, lights, and a bunch of other storage solutions, as well as wall brackets that you can use to remove the modules from the stack and mount them securely to the wall for later use. The latches are heavy duty, and it has metallic corner pieces to protect it from bumps. It's made from impact-resistant plastic, so it can handle the jarring and the jostling that it gets when you're moving around in your truck or up and down stairs or any of the hazards that your typical job site has. The bottom module has 2 side handles for carrying it if you can't wheel it. The individual modules have front and top handles on the larger unit like this one. This shallow unit only has a front handle, so when you detach it, you can just carry it around by itself like a suitcase. And the top of each module has these recesses to accept locks from the bottom module, and then a tab locks into the front of each module that you release using the release on the front right by the handle. And it's IP65 rated to keep out weather, water, and debris from the job site. There are so many options when it comes to the different modules for the Packout system that it's worth going over in person. So if you need some additional information, just let Tim or me know, and we'd be happy to review all the options and price it out for you. So do me a favor, keep watching, because in the future, we've got a bunch of different videos coming up that have some Matco toolbox reviews, a Milwaukee toolbox review, and as always, there's going to be plenty of Tools in the Hall videos. So do me a favor, click down here now to subscribe so that you don't miss any of it. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, use a tool. Don't be one.